Hi, my name is Hannah and I wanted to give an honest review of these matte black doorknobs. I did order these in a pack of 10 to go all the way throughout the house. They match so well with the other matte black designs in all of our rooms. They were very easy to install and I was able to install them all myself. They also have a lock on them so they can be installed on either side, this one or this one, depending on which side you want to lock. And it's super easy to turn the lock as well, depending on if you want it locked or unlocked. It also came with these door plates. I did obviously buy an older house, so I did have to replace everything. So it does kind of look older, but the plates still look so much better than the original of what we had. So let me show you all the way down the hallway just to show you how much this space was elevated with the new doorknobs. It just completely changed the look of the entire house, and I couldn't be more pleased with them, truly. I absolutely highly recommend these doorknobs.